What's up guys, it's Warren here from Cloud Station X, and in today's tutorial we're going to go over nested coroutines. So if you remember, in one of our tutorials we went over how to use a coroutine. We just debugged a statement. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use nested coroutines. So inside of our first coroutine we have a loop, and it's only going to increment after the child coroutine is done. So let me show you what I mean. Let's go into Unity. Let's wait for the rows. So work offline. Let's open up our old scene project. Let me open up Paint just to demonstrate what exactly we're doing. So let Paint open up. So what we're doing in this tutorial is we're going to have a parent coroutine. So here let's just say we have a for loop. So basically what we want to do is, let's add some text. 1, 2, 3, and let's move this, yeah, and we're going to have our child coroutine. So we haven't done. Oh, it's looking a bit. So do this. Do this. And do this. So basically, what's going to happen is this is going to be our parent coroutine. So on the increment of 1, I want you to start the child coroutine. So when the child coroutine is going to do this task, it's going to do this task, this task, this task, this task, and then return. And then afterwards, it's going to come here. It's going to go do this task for number 2, and for 3, it's going to do the same thing. So let's open up here. So let's remove our block, our ball from our old project. So let's remove our slider script also. So I'm going to create a normal script here, normal C# script. Let's call it Coro, short for coroutine. Let's open up. Now let's wait for Unity to create the C# script. We'll say the C#. Okay, so coroutine script is here. So in our start method, what I'm going to do is, well, let's remove updates. So I'm going to create the parent coroutine numerator. You'll see that Unity already creates a default coroutine. So I'm going to call this parent coroutine, and in our parent coroutine we're going to have a for loop for int I is equal to 0, I is less than, let's increment it 0, 1, 2, let's increment 3 times, and I++, open up bracket. So we have our, so let me remove this. Let's create the child. So in our child, we're going to not have a for loop. So in our child, I'm going to show you let's say debug.log I am child, and then yield return new wait for seconds, wait 3 seconds, and debug.log you know what we can do? So we'll wait for each of these. So the child code is debug I'm child after okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to call the start method. So start coroutine current coroutine, start that, and then for each of these we're going to yield return start coroutine. And which coroutine are we starting? We're starting child coroutine. So close this. And do we need to pass anything? Yes, let's pass in I. So let's have a look at what's happening here. So we're going to start our parent coroutine, so it starts here. So for int I is for our for loop, we start at 0, so it's going to yield, so it's going to pass in start our second coroutine, which is a child. We'll pass in 0, we'll have 0, it'll wait for 0 seconds, I am child after 0, and then afterwards we will come back here, it'll go up to 1, it'll say start the second coroutine, it'll print out that, then it will wait for that and print out the second statement. So let's hit play. So I'm child with 0 after 1, after 2, 1, 2, 3, and after 2, yeah. So it immediately prints out our 0 because it waits 0 seconds, and then afterwards it prints out 1 because it waits 1 second, and then afterwards it prints out 2. So that's how you do nested coroutines, guys. Hit subscribe and like if you like this video, and you can play my first game and leave the link in the description, and also you can join our Discord server and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave everything in the description. So thanks guys for watching. Cheers, bye.